Ever wonder why swimmers have such perfect bodies? Is it the hours of rigorous training that shape their bodies, or is their physique a prerequisite for their success? This is more than a simple chicken and egg conundrum. It's an intriguing psychological puzzle known as the swimmer's body illusion. It's the idea that we often confuse cause and effect when it comes to success and appearance. Intriguing, isn't it? This is what we call the swimmer's body illusion, a fascinating concept that we're going to delve into. The swimmer's body illusion is a concept in psychology that addresses our tendency to confuse selection factors with results. Now, let's break this down in layman's terms. You see a swimmer with a perfectly toned athletic body and you think, wow, I should start swimming to look like that. But here's where the illusion comes into play. It's not necessarily the act of swimming that has crafted that body. It's more likely that the individual's body type was naturally suited to swimming, which led them to excel and spend more time in the pool. It's like thinking you'll become a virtuoso by playing the violin, forgetting that those who naturally possess a keen ear for music are more likely to pick up the instrument in the first place, or believing that reading a ton of books will make you a fantastic writer, when in fact, those who are innately good with words and narratives are more likely to bury their noses in books. In essence, we're confusing the cause and the effect, the selection factors and the results. We see the result, the swimmer's body, the virtuoso violinist, the eloquent writer, and we attribute it to the activity they're engaged in. But we overlook the natural inclinations, the innate talents, and the genetic factors that might have drawn them to these activities and helped them succeed. So the next time you admire a swimmer's physique, remember, it's not just the swimming that's doing the trick. It's a classic case of the swimmer's body illusion. So, what can we learn from the swimmer's body illusion? Well, for starters, it serves as a powerful reminder that correlation doesn't always mean causation. Just because successful swimmers have a particular body type, it doesn't mean that having that body type will make you a successful swimmer. It's crucial to differentiate between selection factors and results to avoid falling into this illusion. Moreover, the swimmer's body illusion isn't just about sports. It extends to various aspects of our life, from career choices to personal relationships. It prompts us to question our assumptions and make more informed decisions. For instance, just because successful people wake up early, it doesn't mean waking up early will make you successful. There are always other factors at play. In conclusion, the swimmer's body illusion serves as a reminder to question our assumptions and understand the factors at play, because sometimes things aren't always as they seem.